Are you still worried about under the scorching sun the hot seat inability to cool down in the hot car in a short time? Today, I take you to experience an intelligent car air conditioning cushion. Simple to use, multi-gear adjustment can sense and show temperature, rapid cooling, dehumidification and antiperspiration, relieve fatigue. In winter, it can make your car cushion warm, so that you are more comfortable in the process of driving. Private cars, trucks, online taxi, regular taxi can all be used. Bacopa Escort for your health.